Okay, so we're going to find the area of this type of shape. Let's see. Now we know when we're looking for area of a rectangle, it is length times width. So if we were looking for the area of this, it would be 10 times 8, and it would be 80. Simple. But we're not going to keep it that simple for this. So for this shape right here, we have a couple of options. We're going to cut it into two different rectangular shapes. So what I mean by cut it is that we're going to break it apart so that we could find the area of both of these shapes and then combine it for the total area. Okay. We're going to call this section 1, and we're going to call this section 2. So let's first find the area of section 1. Now we need to find length times width. We're given this dimension right here, it's 4. We need to figure out what the width would be, but we're not given the width, but we're given enough clues and information to figure out what it is. So on rectangular shapes, this line is parallel to this line. Yet we could see that it's not the same length. We are given, however, let me get a different color here just so you could see the difference. We are given these dimensions right here as being 2 units, 2 units. So if we have the whole side as 10 units, but then this little section is 2 and this little section is 2, we would have to subtract that from this whole line. So 10 minus 2 is 8, minus another 2 is 6. So the length of this side will be 6 units. So now we can say for section 1, 4 times 6, which would be 24 units squared. Okay, so this is for section 1. Now for section 2, we are given length, width.
Right.
We do not need to take any other dimensions. 10 times 11, which would be 110. And I'm just going to put U for units squared, units squared. That is for section 2. So in order to find the area for the entire shape, we need to combine those two areas. So 110 plus 24, and we get 134 units squared. That is the area for this entire combined shape.